I'm gonna try to get you a
There's
good
the
view.
incline. Our cows are up there. There's some to my left, but they're behind the barbed wire and look secure as of now. This is a perspective we have in the morning. I'm breathing heavy. I'm trying not to breathe. Walking up this hill is no joke. This is a steep decline. Like, if you aren't in first gear, you're going to be flying down this and it cuts. And then you hit that side with water. So, this is a fun ride down. I realize sometimes I be going super fast, so I'm trying to be better. Giving you a full 360.
These joints gotta stay in the sun.
That's the start of the downhill.
So they can heat up because the inside, no fog.
Low key, if snow did come here, this would be the best spot to go tubing.
Alright, let me see your camera. Which one is it? No, zoom out. I mean, come back in.
Hold on, I'm just trying to get a better perspective.
Oh, I'm gonna get you there. You're gonna see the cow right now.
It's crazy, I'm still zooming out.
Alright, let me see.
I hear like trampling.
Nope, not that one. Not that one. Yep, top camera. Where the cows at?
Up, right there.
And if you zoom in and out right here, hit this little button. Nope, over here. Yeah. Look at the cows, and it's pretty far because look, you can't see them from here. See the cows? So we need to go over here. That's where all the small ones is at.
It's the mama tribe.
Yep. There you go.
And the birds know we feed them, so they're slowly making their way to us, as usual. And then,
Yeah, these gotta get left in the sun.
if we had boots on, we'd be able to walk back here and show where the other cows is at. But I don't know where King is at. I don't know where the male bull is at.
King. Oh, they gotta see King. I gotta show them King.
Yeah. Turkey action.
Yeah, I gotta fix this because right now
Turkeys will spend all day doing this, y'all. It's so freaking annoying. And you can hear it. Like, it's a very distinct sound.
there's gotta be a way where you could see them both.
Odd creatures they are.